జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 10th చాప్టర్ విభూతి విస్తరయోగము 28th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ అస్, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ అర్జున. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ సేయింగ్ దట్ అర్జున, ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వెపన్స్ I am Vajrayudham, and among all cows I am Kamadhenu, and among all causes of procreation I am Manmadha, and among all serpents I am Vasuki. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma declaring that because he kept huge amount of his spark in Vajrayudham, Vajrayudham became useful in cutting the wings of mountains. There used to be wings to the mountains by which all the villages and all the creatures used to get crushed under mountains. At that time, Indra with his Vajrayudham cut all the wings of all mountains. And also, to kill Vrutrasura, this Vajrayudham was built. Paramatma kept his huge amount of spark in that Vajrayudham, so Vajrayudham could kill Vrutrasura. And also, Paramatma saying that usually all cows gives milk, but Kamadhenu not only gives milk, but also fulfills all wishes of all the people, those who approaches Kamadhenu. So Paramatma declaring that because he kept his huge amount of spark in Kamadhenu, Kamadhenu could fulfill wishes along with giving milk. And there are causes for procreation. Among all causes, Paramatma kept his huge amount of spark in Manmadha, so Manmadha could be useful in making procreation in a righteous way. And Paramatma declaring that usually snakes will have one head. Among all the snakes who has one head, Paramatma kept his huge amount of spark in Vasuki. That is why Vasuki was useful in churning the milky ocean with Mandara Parvatam, from which there came even nectar and so many useful things which can bestow favor to entire creation. Having Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Ayudhanam aham vajram, dhenunam asmi kamadhuk, prajanashchasmi kandarpaha, sarpanam asmi vasukihi. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.